Really?
Does your dog do this crazy thing right here? So we call it biting fleas.
Shut up! Knock it off. You don't kick my teeth. Diesel!
Uh-huh.
You're both adopted!
What are you doing?
What is in your mouth?
Let go! Let go! Pablo, let go! Fucker! Alright, can you say your name? Luna. That was perfect!
By the time I get back, I can always leave and I'm taking it.
Gentle. Oh my god. Pray.
Why do you sit like that?
You don't like the snow?
Oh, Bonnie, come here!
What do you have? Bocce! Is that a knife? It's your baby sister. She's so good.
Big smile, Holly. Oh, good girl.
Get off my couch! Get off my couch and stop talking back!
Gang, get the fuck out of my way, bro. I'm trying to do my schoolwork, bro.
Oh my god! Walter.
I don't want to talk to you. Get away from me. I don't want to talk to you. Go over there and go look at the wall. Bye.
So handsome. I am so handsome.
Oh my god!
What are you doing? Ah! Are you gonna bite me?
Ow! What are you doing?
Excuse me, sorry.
Speak! Good girl. Arlo, whisper. Whisper. Whisper.
¿Lechuga? No quiere. ¿Pollito?
She's chewing on your tail, man. He said, what?
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Who are you talking to?
Come on. Let's go shake off outside. Franklin. Oh.
Oh, you fucking idiot.
Want me to throw it?
Evie. Ow. Goddamn. Evie, girl, come here. Sit.
You've got Kelt there. No running on the road. You come back when I tell you.
Marley, what do you think you're doing? No.
You had a good time at the groomers. Ginger, look at me. You're such a bitch.
Oh my god. Oh.
Come on, you can do it. Go backwards if you have to. There you go. There you go.
I got a.
Because he got stuck in the crack.
Come here. Sit. Good girl. Sit.
Teddy bear, do you like the rain?
Are you breadcrumbing yourself now?
You want a treat, buddy? You want a treat? Got your ass. Oh.
But coming into this will just never get old. I genuinely think she thinks he's her man. Like.
Pray.
When your Cane Corso thinks he's the same size as your Yorkie.
He literally hates you. Look how big it is.
Smile. Hi, buddy. Thank you.